Empathy, the cornerstone of successful design thinking, creates solutions that resonate with users. It steers designers towards an understanding of users' emotions, needs, and experiences. As designers dive deep into the shoes of users, they unravel insights that may be through pure analysis. It highlights the pain points, desires, and aspirations of users, fostering a more inclusive and user-friendly design. The bridge it creates between the designer and the end user stimulates a collaborative process that eliminates biases and considers a diverse audience's needs. Moreover, empathetic design thinking isn't confined to initial stages. It's a cycle of feedback and adaptation based on user experiences. This strategy elevates the chances of producing durable solutions. In conclusion, empathy is not just a soft skill, it's a strategic tool. By embracing empathy in design thinking, practitioners can unlock insights, paving the way for solutions that resonate with users on a profound level.